Come in. Hi again, everybody. Today we are going to learn another 4-ace trick. There are so many 4-ace tricks. There's so many remarkable 4-ace tricks. And if I'm doing card magic, I like to do 2 or 3 of them because they're just pretty. Some of them are difficult, a lot of sleight of hand. Others are effective but simple to do, like the one I'm about to show you. The first thing you'll need to do, of course, is remove the 4 aces from the deck, because it is a 4-ace trick, and you show that you have 1, 2, 3, 4 aces, and you then place those down in front of you. Then the magic begins. You take the pack, you tap the pack, and the first ace jumps from the bottom up to the top of the deck. You take the next ace, you put it on the top of the deck, you tap the deck, that one jumps to the bottom. Then you take the next ace, place it in the middle somewhere, tap the deck, turn it over, and it jumps to the top of the deck. And the last one you bury, and you tap the deck, and now you'll see there's only one card turned around in the deck, and it is the final ace. Very quick, very fun, very visual, and very simple to do. Here is the tutorial. Like I said, you start out by removing the 4 aces from the deck. There's only one little tiny sleight that you have to do, but this is so simple. You take the 4 aces and you put them on the bottom of the deck. While you're picking those up and drawing attention to the aces, you slide over the bottom card and you get a little pinky break right below that card, and you place the aces on top of that card and then remove them very quickly. Well, now you actually have 5 cards. You've got that 2 on the bottom. Then you turn the other half of the deck over and you show you have 1, and just do it in your hand, 2, 3, 4 aces. But this is really 2 cards. So 4 aces right there, turn them over and place them down in front of you. So what you've actually done is you have placed 3 aces and the indifferent card. They don't know that. It looks like the 4 aces. So all you do now is you're completely set up. All you do now is you take the deck of cards, place it on top of the first ace, tap the deck, and magically that one jumps to the top because that was the 5th card. Then you say, okay, I'm going to place it on the top of the deck, tap the deck, and it now jumps to the bottom. Then you take the next card and place it face down in the middle. Do this quickly. Just say, I'm going to shove it in the middle somewhere. You tap the deck, turn it over, and their card magically comes to the top. And the last card you bury as well, you just shove that in the deck again, quickly. You tap the deck, and now when you turn it over, either way, it doesn't matter. You go through the cards. In this case, there's 1 card that's left unturned, and that is the final ace. So it's just a very simple, fun, quick little visual 4-ace trick. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.